Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check search history on Google. So for this, the first step is to open the Chrome browser, Google Chrome browser on this Android device. So when it's open there completely, so from here I will just on the search bar just tap to write Google, and from here I will just tap to it. In this search bar you will see the all search histories below. The first one is National Wife Day. You will see the all previous and recent searches on Google Chrome. So this is how you will find the recent search history on Google. So it's very easy and simple. You will find you can also delete it from here by this the cross icon in the end of search. So you will also see the trending searches. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.